Here we've got OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open, for example, messages, some area where you can enter the text and where you can see your keyboard. So as you can see, currently we are set up with English, and if we would like to change this language, if you'd like to change the keyboard dictionary, all you need to do is to tap on settings icon, go to languages, not preferences, languages, tap on add keyboard, and select the language that you would like to apply. As you can see, we've got super long list here. And then just pick whichever language you want to have. Let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Tap on done. You can stay with both languages, but I would like to just apply this one. And as you can see, from now on, keyboard dictionary is Hebrew, so you can smoothly write in this language. You've got the original letters, and then whenever you'd like to change it again, just mark the settings one more time, pick languages, and perform the same action as previously. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.